At 91-year-old, Everett Carlin went skydiving for the first time. 2 years later, he decided to aim for another high. When you hit your 90s, you think, what would be some things I'd like to do? He said to SFKate. I guess Half Dome was the thing that most popped into my mind. With the help of his family, the 93-year-old Everett climbed to the top of one of Yosemite National Park's most recognizable monuments earlier this week. The Oakland man's son John and granddaughter Sydney accompanied him on the trek, which took 13 hours and elevated him 5,000 feet above sea level. The family told NBC Bay Area how other hikers reacted to seeing Everett on the trail. Everyone was kind of looking at my dad in awe, saying, "Wow, amazing you're doing this. You're such an inspiration. Can I take a photo with you?" You're making me think of my dad, John Carlin told the local news outlet. The quartz behemoth, known for its semi-dome shape, is one of the most well-known rock formations in the park. The geological wonder towers over Yosemite's mountains and provides an iconic addition to the park's skyline.